Hi everybody, welcome back to Nature Kids, and today I'll be doing grade 9 Health and Physical Education English Medium Lesson 12. Let us develop health related physical fitness. So now let's get started with the lesson without wasting any more time. Physical fitness is the ability to perform physical activities efficiently. It is divided into skill related fitness and health related fitness. Health-related fitness includes cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and body composition. These factors are important for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. In this chapter, we will learn how to measure physical fitness and use the results to maintain an optimum level of fitness. Health related to physical fitness tests. Physical fitness can be measured in different ways. Today, technology allows these tests to be done using various instruments in laboratories and other settings. However, simple fitness tests can also be performed in a playground. The results help assess a person's health and improve health-related fitness. They can also help people to choose the sports, the activities that best suit their abilities. Getting ready to measure fitness factors. To measure physical fitness, divide the class into 4 groups. Each group should conduct the fitness test and record the results. Arrange the results from highest to lowest and classify them into 5 levels: very good, good, average, satisfactory, and poor. This grading system helps evaluate and compare fitness levels among students. Compare your fitness results with those of your classmates and participate in activities to improve your fitness level and achieve higher grades. When organizing a fitness test, follow these 3 steps: preparation before the test, conducting the test, and analyzing the results after the test. These steps help ensure accurate testing and improvement of physical fitnesses. Instructions to be followed when performing tests to assess fitness levels. Preparing the field so that accidents and injuries are minimized. Prior to take the test, make sure participants do warming up exercises. After the test, make sure they do exercises to warm down. Follow the instructions above and perform tests to assess each factor. Measuring cardiovascular endurance. Cardiovascular endurance is the ability of the heart and the lungs to work efficiently and supply enough oxygen to the muscles during physical activity. Test: continuous running. Boys 800 meters, girls 600 meters. Equipment needed: stopwatch. Procedure: prepare a track with 2 straight sides and 2 bends. Mark the number of laps needed to complete the required distance. Example: if the track is 200 meters, boys run 4 laps 800 meters and girls run 3 laps 600 meters. The time taken to complete the distance is used to assess cardiovascular endurance. Procedure: stand at the starting point and use a standing start. Complete the required distance in shortest possible time. Start running when the leader gives the signal. Use a stopwatch to measure the time taken to complete the distance. Record each student's finishing time. If a student cannot run the whole distance, they may alternate between running and walking. Compare the chart the times of all students assessed and compare their cardiovascular endurance levels. Measuring muscular endurance. Muscular endurance is the ability of the muscles to work for a long time without getting fatigued. Test: push-up test. Equipment needed: also a stopwatch. Procedure: stand with both feet behind the mark line near the long jump pit. Bend your knees, swing your arms forward, and jump as far as possible. Measure the distance from the takeoff line to the landing point. record the distance jumped. Compare your results with those of your classmates and assess your ability and performance. Measuring flexibility. Flexibility is the ability to move or stretch through the joints. Test, stand and reach test. Equipment needed, a small steady table, a measuring tape, 0 to be in the middle of the tape with plus and minus marked in centimeters in either direction. Procedure. Flexibility test procedure. Fix the measuring tape vertically with 0 at the edge of the table, the plus side down and the minus side above. Stand with your feet 30 centimeters apart with the tape between your feet. Keep your knees straight, bend forward and reach down as far as possible. Measure the distance from 0 to the tip of your middle finger. If your fingers reach below your feet, the result recorded as a positive plus value. Compare your result with the chart provided by your teacher to assess your flexibility level. Measuring body composition. Body composition refers to the different components that make up the body. It consists of two main parts: fat mass, the fat stored in the body, and fat-free mass, muscles, bones, organs, and other body tissues. Having too much body fat increases the risk of developing non-communicable diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure later in life. Maintaining a healthy body composition is important for good health and fitness. Test 1. Measuring the body mass index, also known as the BMI. Equipment needed, a measuring tape. Procedure. Body composition test. Test 1. Body mass index BMI. Measure each student's height and weight. Calculate the BMI using the formula. BMI, height to height, and then divided by weight. I don't know how this works, but this is your BMI. Height multiplied by height, and you divide it by weight. Compare your BMI with the BMI chart provided in grade 6 to check whether it is within the healthy range. I'm quite sure. Do you remember that? Anyway. Test 2. Waist to height ratio. Equipment needed. Measuring tape. Measuring your waist circumference and height. Compare the waist measurement with your height to assess body composition and health risk. These tests help determine whether your body composition is within a healthy range. Procedure. Measure the circumference of your waist and your height. You have learned it in grade 6 and how to take these measurements correctly. Use it in the formula given below and get the waist to height ratio. Right down here, this tiny little box. So waist to height ratio equals circumference of the waist, centimeters, divided by the height. Yeah, so that's how you get the waist to height ratio. So that's all for today, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. It makes me happy. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm not gonna say when it is, cause I need a break, people. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. If I do not go crazy until the next video. But until then, bye.